UI UX? Now, they are two different things, but very related. So, just like a preview, we will start with some theory, then we'll get into interactive session so that you have an idea. So you don't feel lost when I start doing or designing stuff. So, so what is UI UX? It is related. So first of all, the thing is UI is different than UX, and UX is different than UI, but they are still very related. So UI can be the screen you are using. So the screen you are seeing me through is a UI. This is a user interface. The ability to chat or drop a message or anything that you see in front of a screen is a user interface. It is designed by a UI designer. But how it will work, like how I click on the attendees or how I drop a message, that is something that a user experience designer has designed. Might have not gotten the idea by the definition itself, but let me just give you a proper definition so that you can understand it if you don't really get it. Like if you didn't get it from what I'm trying to say. So UX refers to any interaction a user has with a product or service. It considers every element that shapes this experience, how it makes the user feel, and how easy it is to use. Now I'll get into Hindi part so that you guys can get like really understand properly. So अगर मैं कोई प्रोडक्ट यूज कर रहा हूँ, सपोज आई एम यूजिंग एनी प्रोडक्ट, अब इस्तेमाल करते हो तो उसको मेरे पास जो फीलिंग आती है, सपोज जैसे हमने बहुत सारे तुम लोगों ने इंस्टाग्राम पे यूज करते हुए देखा होगा कि बीच में बहुत न्यूज में था कि बच्चे डिप्रेस हैं इंस्टाग्राम यूज करने के लाइक वजह से, लाइक्स कम आ रहे हैं या वैसे कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं, तो वो जो एक्सपीरियंस है जो मैं फील कर रहा हूँ, जो मेरा यूजर फील कर रहा है, दैट इज यूजर एक्सपीरियंस. सो लाइक इफ एनीथिंग, लाइक अगर तुम लोग कुछ ऑर्डर कर रहे हो अमेजोन से और सपोज बुक करते वक्त या फिर बाय करते हो तो चीज तुमने बिना बताए वो लोग तुम्हारा पैसा काट देते हैं, तो तुम उस बात को लेकर गुस्सा होगे. तो वो चीज उसको यूजर एक्सपीरियंस बोलते हैं, एक्सपीरियंस करना किसी प्रोडक्ट को या किसी सर्विस को. और यूजर इंटरफेस होता है, लाइक यूजर इंटरफेस refers to actual interface of a product, the visual design of a screen. For example, this itself is a screen that is like example of user interface. So like this is a button that someone has decided, like I have decided to put so that I can go to the previous slide or towards the next slide, and this is something that you can see. So this is some UI is something that someone uses. तो इंस्टाग्राम को तुम यूज कर रहे हो, जो लाइक बटन है वो यूजर इंटरफेस है, उसको इस्तेमाल करते हो तो जो फील करते हो वो यूजर एक्सपीरियंस है. सो यूजर इंटरफेस refers to this graphical elements that is brought together to create a product or an application through which when using and experiencing, get it? So like user experience is related to UI, but they both are like really close but really different entities. And if you haven't got it still, I have a visual example for that. Like see, ये देखो ये Instagram. Like this is a user interface. Now everything you see is a user interface. Now what you feel or your the potential experience user has while using a product. So like they can be happy while using it, or देखो like आ गए मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, या फिर if someone is satisfied or they post something embarrassing or cringe. So like they can be embarrassed or they can be angry about related to things, like if they see something nonsensical which doesn't make sense and that angers you. So that can be, they are directly related but not entirely. UX also depends on several other factors. So like अगर तुमने deliver कुछ मंगा लिया, order कर लिया Amazon से, but it still didn't arrived on time, so that can also factor into your experience of your like using Amazon products. So you might stay away from them. So that also contributes into UX, but most of the time as a UX designer you have to design screens in such a way that you also target the experience or the mindset of the user. So इतना समझ लो कि साइकोलॉजी की भी यूज बहुत होती है, इट्स नॉट जस्ट ग्राफिक डिजाइन. I just wanted to make that clear. uh, so, uh, so you have an understanding. Also, many of the DMs that I have been getting lately are, man, I'm not artistic, like I can't, I'm not good at graphic design. So is there anything that I have to practice graphic design? So the answer is yes and no, but it's cool. Like, it's not graphic design. UX science isn't an art subject. कोई art नहीं है. You don't have to like be artistic genius. Lex Leonardo da Vinci. You have to be like draw something. You have to. It's a scientific process. You follow a process. You try to understand a problem. You try to think how to solve that problem and think about your users and how your users will feel while using that product. So just so you get an idea, Amazon profited by 3 million because they improved UX of a button. So what they did was improve the placement of the button, like where it should be and where it shouldn't be. And they, just a second. So there's a question, or I guess no. Okay, my voice isn't clear. Is my voice clear now? So someone can drop a message if my voice is clear or not, so that I can see. Okay, great, great, cool, cool. Uh, so if there's something that you didn't understood or it wasn't understandable while I was talking, so you can drop like a message. This point wasn't clear. I can go back to it and explain it to you. So it's okay, then yeah, we'll continue with the session. Uh, so I was saying it's not graphic design or something you have to learn or something. So what you are thinking is called design sense. So like you are thinking of I don't have like an idea कि ये product कैसे यहाँ पे जाएगा या फिर ये button मैं यहाँ पे क्यों रखूँ. So that is not something that you need to know or need to have on the very first day. It is something that you will learn over a period of time. So like it takes time. तुम आज सीख रहे हो और तुम्हें आज आ जाएगा तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. आज सपोज आज में पाइथन में तुमने लूप बनाना सीख लिया, कल एआई पे काम शुरू कर दोगे, ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है. So you have to understand that it's not something that comes in within a day. You have to practice it with each and every day consistently, so that you can actually build a design sense. उसके बाद you will see, you have to just practice for a month, and you will see like how you have improved within a month. It will be the results are astonishing, man. I will 100% recommend, if you are someone who is trying to get into design field, try it. एक बार बस स्टार्ट करो, एक महीने के लिए ट्राई करो, यू विल सी दैट हाउ मच यू हैव इम्प्रूव्ड. एंड इट्स नॉट लाइक कोडिंग सो दैट यू कांट सी योर रिजल्ट विजुअली. इट्स लाइक डिजाइन. सो अभी तुम डिजाइन करोगे, एक महीने बाद तुम्हें दिखेगा, वो स्क्रीन पे तुम डिजाइन कर रहे हो, बना रहे हो, दिखेगा, तुम्हें खुद पता चल जाएगा. So next part, let's talk about the history of UX. So this is something that I pick up from like Google. So UX has been for a long time. Like पहले कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंस लोग बोलते थे, या फिर कोई आ रहा है तो उसको मतलब कोई इवेंट अटेंड करने आ रहा है. जैसे वॉल्ट डिज्नी में हर एक चीज डिजाइंड है. इफ यू गो टू डिज्नी वर्ल्ड, from your entrance they make sure that you have a welcoming entrance. Then they make sure that you don't have to wait in the line. So they make sure that you don't have to experience anything like frustration. You all you have to see your visit is कि तुम बस खुश रहो. They want to see you happy, and while doing that they do their best. They are great at user experience. So like Toyota. But the main concept of UX, किसने यूएक्स को मेन स्ट्रीम पे लाया, so that was Apple. So it is something that Steve Jobs always wanted with user experience. So Steve Jobs, if you guys know well about him, he wasn't like an engineer. He didn't know much about engineering. He didn't know much about like coding. He wasn't really great at computers. He was really good with humans and design. So he was something like he brought on a team of designers. So this guy, Donald Norman, he brought on him to his design team and made sure that Apple follows a design system. So, like, if you are going to see someone with a great design system or like great designs, Apple will be always leading that part because of the foundation they had laid in 1995. Google ने भी start किया था, but 2013. It was very late. So UX is still quite new field in the technology department. We are still coping up. So there will be a lot of jobs coming up, especially in India. Like we have been really bad with UX. Like I was watching a podcast of a product manager Ryan Hoover. He said that the only thing India is behind right now is with its design and management. So like there will be the boom of startup. We have like many startups coming up and popping up. So they probably will need a UX designer if they want to stand out. अगर लोग मार्केट में खड़ा दिखना है तो अच्छा डिजाइन लगेगा ही. So you will have jobs. Don't worry about that. And if you are, let me just cover that in forward part of the presentation. And as I said, like UX design is multidisciplinary. बहुत सारी fields का इसमें क्या कहते हैं involvement है. So you have to have a psychological thinking कि अगर यूजर ऐसा कुछ करेगा तो उसके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है. You have to understand that what he might be thinking while solving a product. And the second part is visual design. How a product looks also has a great impact on person or an individual or users. So like there's a effect called aesthetic usability. अब उसको क्या कहते हैं, अगर कुछ जैसे तुम्हें दिख रहा है, कोई स्क्रीन अगर अच्छी दिख रही है तो तुम उसको पहले से ही अपने दिमाग में मान लेते हो कि ये यूजेबल है यार, ये काम कर रहा है, ये यूजेबल है, इस ये प्रोडक्ट बहुत अच्छा है. बल्कि तुम्हें कितनी भी दिक्कत हो उसको यूज करने में, लेकिन अगर दिख अच्छा रहा ना तो हमारा दिमाग हमको कन्विंस कर देता है कि दिस इज अ प्रोडक्ट दैट आई हैव टू यूज एंड दिस इज अ रियली ग्रेट प्रोडक्ट. So like you also need to have, it's a nice to have or need to have kind of thing. लाइक तुम अच्छे विजुअल डिजाइनर नहीं भी हो सकते और फिर भी यूएक्स डिजाइन में जॉब मिल सकती है तुम्हें. लेकिन अगर तुम हो अच्छे यूएक्स विजुअल डिजाइनर तो तुमको यूएक्स डिजाइन में जॉब और अच्छी जॉब मिल सकती है. सो लाइक अगर ग्राफिक डिजाइन में बैकग्राउंड है तुम्हारा, so you can probably have an upper edge to on others, but yeah, it's again as I said, तुम लोग खुद से सीख सकते हो. It just takes practice. You will improve yourself. Let me just check on not able to join. Okay. Shivani, there isn't any waiting room. If they haven't RSVP before, they can't join. Uh, just I wanted. There was an email sent out like तुम लोग को RSVP करना पड़ेगा, but if they haven't, they can't really join now. So sorry about that. But they can join the group, WhatsApp group, so that I can help them out later, or I will share the PPT or the file towards the end, and you can check it out later. So अब डिजाइनर्स अलग तीन तरह के इस वक्त करंटली जो वर्किंग में है, तीन तरह के डिजाइनर्स है. जैसे कि मैंने कहा रिसर्च भी एक पार्ट है. सॉरी आई स्किप्ड द रिसर्च एंड इंफॉर्मेशन आर्किटेक्चर. सो रिसर्च इज आल्सो पार्ट ऑफ डिजाइन प्रोसेस. सो अब तुम बना रहे हो कोई प्रोडक्ट, सो यू आर गोइंग अबाउट डिजाइनिंग अ प्रोडक्ट एंड यू रियलाइज कि यूजर्स के लिए बनाना है ना, अपने लिए थोड़ी ना बनाना प्रोडक्ट कि मैं अगर यहाँ पे बटन चाहता हूँ क्योंकि मेरे को यहाँ पे दबाने में आसानी होगी. दैट इज नॉट समथिंग वी वांट टू डू. वी वांट टू डिजाइन फॉर यूजर्स सो दैट दे विल यूज आवर प्रोडक्ट और हम लोग अपनी कंपनी को पैसा कमाने में मदद करें. द मेन गोल ऑफ यूएक्स इज have user so make sure that users have great experience and make sure that तुम्हारी कंपनी पैसा कमा रही है. because no one will hire you if you the only reason why anyone would hire you is कि उनको पैसा कमाने को मिलेगा. there is no other reason they hire you. So you have to make sure that you are good enough that you can make them money, and best way to make them money is by understanding their users. अगर तुम users को खुश रखोगे, so अब suppose अगर मेरे users को चाहिए कि मेरे user को चाहिए कि they want to get notified before a product is sold out. तो अगर मैं उनको बताऊंगा नहीं तो वो खरीदेंगे नहीं. So I make sure that there is a notification sent out whenever the product is getting sold out. Oh, so Instagram uses it really well. Like they would send you notification after notification just so that you will increase your Instagram watch time. And the more you use Instagram, the more money for them. It's really simple, but make sure that you understand. You start with research and you start understanding your users. And if you haven't got it still, I will like towards the end of the interactive session, I will like help you, show you or like how to go about research and all that stuff. And other is information architecture. ऐप देखो, एप्लीकेशंस और वेबसाइट बहुत बड़ी होती है, दे आर क्वाइट वास्ट. तुम उसके कौन सा बटन दबाने के बाद कहाँ जाओगे, या कौन कैसे क्या इस्तेमाल करेगा, या लाइक इफ आई क्लिक दिस बटन देन आई एम गोइंग टू नेक्स्ट पेज. So what is supposed to be the next page? Someone has to decide. So like if I like a button, or I like a page, or I want to see someone's profile, if I click on their profile, then someone has to decide कि कहाँ जाना है. तो उसको information architecture बोलते हैं. So home screen, profile, search, और reels और notification. This is something that किसी ने सोचा है, किसी ने उसको पहले से प्लान किया है. This is not something that happens organically. कि आज मैं बैठा हूँ यहाँ पे, तो मुझे यहाँ पे अच्छा लगेगा, यहाँ पे यहाँ पे ठीक लगेगा. ऐसा ऐसे कोई नहीं डिजाइन करता. There is a process behind it. Someone has to think about how a user will use it. So like अगर मुझको सर्च के बाद सर्च रिजल्ट आना चाहिए, सीधे किसी के प्रोफाइल पे ना पहुंच जाऊं, दिस इज नॉट समथिंग दैट हैपेंस. या फिर तुम कोई प्रोडक्ट बाय कर रहे हो, तुमने बाय प्रोडक्ट पे क्लिक किया और सीधे तुमको चेकआउट स्क्रीन पे ला दिया. ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है. यू दे विल आस्क फॉर योर एड्रेस एटसेट्रा. सो that is also something that is all pre-planned, and that is planned based on the research that you are going to conduct. So like तुम्हें research, एक मिनट, क्या हुआ? uh, Tanishq, I will send it towards the end of the session. Don't worry about that. Also, if you guys have any question again, drop it in the Q&A so that I can clear them towards the end of the session. So like हाँ, तो ये सब मल्टीडिसिप्लिनरी फील्ड है, ये सब तुमको आने चाहिए अगर तुमको अच्छा यूएक्स डिजाइनर बनना है. So the next part is do I need to know everything? तुम्हें सब आना चाहिए जो मैंने अभी यहाँ बताया. साइकोलॉजी, विजुअल डिजाइन, रिसर्च, इंफॉर्मेशन आर्किटेक्चर, सब सीखने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, जरूरी नहीं है. और मार्केट में आजकल 3 तरह के डिजाइनर्स हैं. एक होते हैं स्पेशलिस्ट, सो जो एक ही एस्पेक्ट को लेके पूरा उसकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग रखते हैं. तो सपोज अगर मुझे रिसर्चर बनना है, यूएक्स रिसर्चर बनना है, सो आई विल जस्ट स्टडी रिसर्च थ्रू आउट एंड आई विल बी कॉल्ड एज अ स्पेशलिस्ट. कि इसको रिसर्च के बारे में कुछ भी पूछ लो, आस्क हिम एनीथिंग अबाउट रिसर्च, ही विल प्रॉब्ली नो एवरीथिंग अबाउट इट. And then there are T-shaped designers. This is something, let me talk about it later. We will talk about journalists. अब जर्नलिस्ट कौन लोग होते हैं? जो सब सीखना चाहते हैं और उनको सब चीजों के बारे में नॉलेज नहीं है, बट दे हैव लाइक दे डोंट हैव डीप नॉलेज अबाउट एवरीथिंग, बट दे नो more than enough to survive in every aspect of the design. So like they would know psychology इतनी आती है, visual design भी उतना आता है, research भी और information architecture भी, but थोड़ा बहुत. So it's like they will try to learn everything possible. They are decent at everything, but not great at anything. They won't be like great at anything. So this is position. This is someone who is trying to earn a seniority level. Like वो manager बनने की कोशिश कर रहा है, etc. वैसे कोई एस्पेक्ट पे ध्यान दे रहा है, तो वो उसको जर्नलिस्ट कहता है. और फिर ये होता है, मैं रिकमेंड करूंगा अभी के लिए कि यू ट्राई टू बी ए टी शेप डिजाइनर. Now what is T-shaped designer? Focus on one aspect, improve it. So like if you focus on psychology, पूरा तरह से उसको जानो, बट विजुअल डिजाइन, रिसर्च और इंफॉर्मेशन आर्किटेक्चर को थोड़ा बहुत जितना नेसेसरी है, try to learn them. So like you have to focus on one aspect of the design and then a little bit just of the other aspect, so that you have an understanding while talking about like UX researcher and designers work really close. So अगर तुम्हें उनके बारे में फील्ड में ज्यादा पता चलेगा तो तुम अपनी जॉब में पोजीशन में क्लाइंब अप करने के लिए, सो लाइक सीनियोरिटी लेवल पाने में ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा. सो try to learn everything but focus on one thing that you like about the field. So अभी बहुत सारी चीजें क्लाउड में लग रही है. मैं बस look, one thing I want to say before we go ahead कि try to explore things on your own. Google it, try to search it, because I can help you out with things. I can guide you. You can reach out to me on WhatsApp, whatever you are comfortable with. But तुम्हें सीखना पड़ेगा खुद से. You have to learn on your own. You have to look out for things. You have to search them. A Google search is the best skill you have right now. Google is really great. If you use it properly, it's like a really valuable thing. You have to just look out for things. You will find that there are things you don't know. So please Google on your own and try to search and research on your own. एक दो घंटे जाएंगे but it will be worth it. Believe me, it is worth it. अब जॉब्स क्या है यूएक्स फील्ड में? यूएक्स रिसर्चर की हैं. रिसर्च एक इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है लाइक डिजाइन प्रोसेस में. लाइक एवरी डिजाइन डिसीजन इज मेड टू हेल्प यूजर. So research help us understand our users, competitors and how to achieve business goals. So like अगर मेरे users को नोटिफिकेशन चाहिए कि मैंने जैसे कहा था प्रोडक्ट दिखने वाला है उसको लेके, और मैं अगर वही प्रोवाइड नहीं कर पाऊँ तो मेरा डिजाइन फेल होने वाला है. चाहे मैं कितना भी उसको सुंदर दिखा दूं या फिर मैं कितना भी उसको यूजेबल बना दूं. सो हैविंग एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ योर यूजर्स एंड व्हाट दे वांट एंड व्हाट दे नीड, वो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. और उसको अलाइन करना बिजनेस गोल से कि मेरे यूजर्स को XYZ चाहिए और बिजनेस को पैसे कमाने हैं. अब मैं उस चीज को कैसे अलाइन करूं कि मेरे बिजनेस को भी प्रॉफिट हो और मेरे यूजर्स को भी प्रॉफिट हो. सो यूएक्स रिसर्च इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट विद दैट. फिर मैंने जैसे कहा था विजुअल डिजाइन. विजुअल डिजाइन इज समथिंग लाइक यू सी ये विजुअली कैसे दिखेगा, कौन सा कलर रहेगा, कौन सी टाइपोग्राफी रहेगी, ये एटसेट्रा होता है. और फिर यूएक्स राइटर. अब यूएक्स नई फील्ड है लेकिन मेजर कंपनीज, बिग टेक कंपनीज में बहुत एक्सपांड हो गई है. तो अगर टेक्स्ट लिखने पे भी चीजें बदल जाती है. सो लाइक डू यू वांट टू कैंसल ऑर्डर और नीचे दो बटन रहे यस नो. अब यूजर कंफ्यूज हो जाएगा. नो आई वांट टू कैंसल ऑर्डर और यस आई वांट टू कैंसल ऑर्डर. मतलब चाहिए क्या, ये कंफ्यूजन हो जाती है. सो टू मेक श्योर दैट दैट इज नॉट समथिंग हैपनिंग, यूएक्स राइटर्स को भी एक जॉब रहती है. लाइक दे विल थिंक अबाउट व्हाट विल गो देयर. यस जाएगा कि नो जाएगा, कैंसल और कंफर्म, वर्ड्स. दैट इज डिसाइडेड राइट नाउ. लाइक वो भी कोई सोचता है कि अगर ये डाल दूंगा तो क्या हो जाएगा और ये डालूंगा तो क्या होगा. It's everything you see on the screen of an application, well designed application you use, every decision is made consciously. किसी ने सोचा है कि यहाँ पे वो बटन जाएगा. कोई ऐसे ही बैठ के एप्लीकेशन नहीं बनाने बैठ जाता. And other job is like UI UX designer. This is a combined role, like you have to do everything, and this is something you will probably do in your startups, yeah, while you are freelancing, or like working in smaller companies. So you have to probably do visuals, research, architecture, etc. They are like well-paid jobs. If you are enough experience, they will pay you a lot. Uh, but you also have to remember you have to do everything on your own. And then there is UX strategist. Now what happens is तुमने यूजर को अंडरस्टैंड कर लिया, अब तुम बिजनेस गोल को कैसे अंडरस्टैंड करोगे? Your goal is not to serve the best product, usable product. Your goal is to best serve the best product, but also earn money for your company. So उसके लिए स्ट्रैटेजी बनानी पड़ती है. यू हैव टू ऑलरेडी थिंक अबाउट कि ये फीचर जैसे ही लॉन्च होगा, वी हैव टू टेक अप द रिसर्च एंड लाइक ट्राई टू क्रिएट अ बिजनेस गोल, सो दैट आगे यूजर्स को हम लोग और कुछ प्रोवाइड कर सके और उससे और पैसा आए कंपनी में, ताकि वो बिजनेस बढ़ता जाए. सो that is also something that you have to keep in mind, and that kind of role is for UX strategist. Now the thing is, UX strategist तभी बन पाते हो when you reach at a senior level and you have a like experience with UX. So अभी उसके बारे में सोचना आप छोड़ दो. Just focus on these four aspects. And this is also interaction designs. Like interaction designer क्या होता है? So like if I click a button, I go to the screen. How I go to the screen is instantly. अगर इसमें अभी कोई मोशन हो या मोशन से हम लोग जाएं या मोशन डिजाइन या बटन दबाने पे हम कहाँ पहुंच रहे हैं, या फिर हम लोग वायर फ्रेम्स बना रहे हैं, हम लोग अभी बनाएंगे इसके सेशन के एंड्स में, वो मैं उसको और डीप में एक्सप्लेन करूंगा बाद में। ऑल्सो जस्ट चेकिंग आउट, या थैंक्स गौरव फॉर शेयरिंग द व्हाट्सएप लिंक। सो गौरव ने देखो लिंक भेजी है ज्वाइन करने की व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप, जस्ट click on that if you want to join the group. You can check it in the chat, attendees, just so that you can know. और हाँ, तुम्हें वर्क कहाँ करना है ये देखो, one of the best aspects about UX is कि वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस बहुत अच्छा है, like it's really great. So you can be like a freelancer, you can be your own boss, like ये बहुत, like it's difficult, but if you find your rhythm with freelancing, it's like really well paid job, क्योंकि freelancing ज्यादा से ज्यादा यूएस से होती है यहाँ पे। So you might be able to understand that US dollar conversion rupees, like you can have a stable lifestyle and you can still earn a lot of money. So it, this is something, but you have to understand that constant flow of job नहीं रहेगी, एक job security नहीं रहेगी कि तुम्हें पक्का कोई काम देने वाला है। So you have to remember that, but freelancing is an option for, as a UX designer, which you might not find in every aspect of tech field. Where as a you can work in a startup. Now, thing is, startup is advantage ये है कि it like pays really bad when you are a new designer, but you will understand a lot. Like you will learn a lot, you will grow a lot because you have to do a lot of things. Or like you might be designing post Instagram post, even though it is nothing related to your job field or a job aspect, but you have to design it, and you have to work with like different people. Converse with them, you have to work really close with engineers and etc. So like it will be really difficult, as if you are someone who likes a stable job and who doesn't like to work in a like really quick environment. But uh, growing a startup as a UX designer, if you grow a startup from the ground, you will be having a lot of value as a designer. Like people will want to talk to you or will want to hire you in MNCs. And again, if you have a lot of experience in UX, start like you have a lot of working experience, तुम लोग काम कर रहे हो बहुत बहुत टाइम के लिए फील्ड में, then startup can pay a lot. They do everything to hire you. They will do everything. Like there's a company called Bima Pay. So what they are doing recently is they are offering BMW bike and tickets to like the T20 World Cup in Dubai, etc. Just to lure the designers who want to work in Google or etc. कि भाई हम लोग को join कर लो, like we want you. So that can also happen, but you have to have a lot of experience for that. And then you can work in design agencies. These are not like quite paying job. They like pay average salaries, fairly pay you, but you will also have a job stability, and you will be it will be based on the your salary will be based on market. You will have a proper work life balance. You won't be working on everything on your own. Like there will be visual designers, there will be like free information architecture guys, like they will be solving things, so you don't have to do everything. But again, then you have to compromise on your salary, etc. And about the salary part, I am going to cover that in the next few slides, so hold on to that. And then you can work in MNCs like FANG companies, Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, and Google. So you can work in all these companies as well. But you have to understand that you won't be making a direct impact as a UX designer. Thing is, when you design a product, तुम कोई product design कर रहे हो, you will have an ability to see someone using it. So like you can be next designer in Swiggy and you have designed an app, and you can probably see people using it, and you can like say that oh मैंने design किया है, that is something that I have designed. And it kind of gives you like a pride feeling that your work is appreciated and people are using it. the thing with MNCs is you will be working on a really small aspects of design because they want to make sure that everything small to small aspect is perfect. You won't have an ownership of the design. But you will be well paid. You will have you won't have a direct impact, but you will have a slower learning curve. So like the things you are working on, you will be great at them, but the things you are not learning at, it will take you a lot of time to learn them. So that is an aspect, but salary covers it for that. You can also work on contract based. So if you are a specialist, as I mentioned earlier, कि एक ही चीज research पूरे अच्छे से आती है, so you can probably, this can depend on like what experience you are holding, but अगर तुम बहुत experienced researcher हो, so you can be earning like $70 $100 per hour, just per hour, based on contract. Like तुम contract based काम कर सकते हो. You can say like you can act like consultant or just an expert or a topic expert and earn a lot. But again, the thing with you probably need a lot of experience, and you also have to like you won't have a job stability, so you have to like find people on contract basis. Now what will I earn? This is something that people really want to know. We are right now in the scope part of it, like kya scope hai UX design ka, that kind of thing. So it has a, like an average salary growth. So this is an average salary growth, not for ना सब बहुत ही ज्यादा लोगों के लिए जो हाई एमएनसी कंपनी की सैलरी नहीं है ये, but it isn't for lower company as well. It is for medium. So like if you are working as a medium पे काम कर रहे हो, uh, if let me just explain it again properly. I think I haven't explained it properly. सैलरी हाई कंपनी में एमएनसी की सैलरी कंसिडर नहीं कर रहे हैं, ना ही लोअर कंपनी की, एवरेज कंपनी जो एवरेज मार्केट में सैलरी है, that is what they had considered in a survey they had done in 2021. So like 7 lakh is a base price salary if you are working in a decent company, half decent company, for 0 to 2 years. Then it can increase from 10 lakh to 2 to 5 years, then 20 lakh, and then 30 lakh if you have considered experience, and 55 lakh. And this is also based on the decent work life balance that you will have. So you can also do this, and you can also earn through freelancing, because it is like really less stress free job. So you have less stress with everything. You can work on side hustles. You can improve your salary that way. So also there's a thing with pay gaps. So like if you are a woman in tech field, you'll probably have problems with finding equal salaries at seniority level, because like there's a major gap between mostly sexist nature of the industry. You'll probably find a lot of like lower salary and towards other aspect of the tech field. But in UX design, there's literally negligible pay gap. Women and men, women and men are paid equally. So that is something. If like I think there are a lot of women session, better for mobile app design? Which software is better for? Uh, oh, I will answer that towards the end, or in between the session. So yeah, so pay experience या pay gender gap. You don't have to worry if any of the ladies. This is a great aspect of design, and just let it blurt out. So see, जो career start करते हैं अपना, they have like a median salary of 7 lakh. Some even have like 40,000 per month, and it can go up to 35 lakh. But this is probably MNC, rare cases है. Engineering में जैसे कोई 40 लाख लेके चला जाता है माइक्रोसॉफ्ट या गूगल से, it's that kind of thing. Like कोई 35 लाख लेके चला गया, that kind of thing. But mostly median salary 7 lakh से start होती है, and after 2 to 5 years it can go to like 20 lakh or 40 lakh, or in some cases 60 lakh. So but again, this might be some an company like Google or Microsoft that might be paying this kind of stuff. And believe me, not everyone will get that job, but you can try always. There are also other companies that pay well, and after 5 to 10 years you can be earning 75 lakh, or median of 20 lakh, or like 28 lakh, 40 lakh. So it's a well paid job. And if you are like saying thinking of यार बहुत हो गया प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन, अब मुझे कुछ और फील्ड में जाना है, so you can also change your career to product management path, because most of you are in engineering college. Most of you नहीं, सभी हो तो, if you guys are in engineering college and you will probably have an experience with design, so as a when you will go to apply for managing position, uh, they will like take that into consideration and will be happy to give you that job, because you already have understanding of both aspects. प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर के मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट वही चैलेंज होता है कि डिजाइन टीम को और प्रोडक्ट इंजीनियरिंग टीम को अलाइन कैसे करें. So if you have knowledge of both those things, you can be like a really great product manager, and you can shift to that aspect of the career. Now that when you reach to that level, 75 lakh won't be your maximum salary. It can go to 1 CR. Now, average salary at top companies. So like this, average salary है, ये position है, सब फ्रेशर एसोसिएट डिजाइनर्स के लिए. और एवरेज सैलरी क्या है इन टॉप कंपनीज में? सो लाइक इफ यू आर अ फ्रेशर एंड एसोसिएट लेवल, so like 0 year experience or 1 or 2 year experience, you would be earning 6 to 6 lakh 50,000 lakh per annum, or you can be working as a UX designer 1 to 14 lakh, UX designer 2 19.25 lakh, or senior UX designer or lead UX designer, you can be earning 40,000, UX manager 52,000, senior UX manager 63, and director of design 79 lakh. Now, first between startup less and MNC is more. Again, startup less अगर तुम beginner हो, once you reach a level, startup पूरा झक मार के पूरा तुम लोग को पैसे देंगे कि तुम लोग हमारे पास आके काम करो. But this is not something you should be considering while taking the field. Money shouldn't be your most important priority. I'm not saying it shouldn't be your priority. It should be your priority, but not the most important part of it. Because अगर तुम उसके लिए कर रहे हो तो एक वक्त आएगा कि तुम खुद को बर्न आउट कर दोगे और तुम खुद ही छोड़ दोगे फील्ड. वो नहीं एक्सपेक्ट होना चाहिए. तुम्हें एक पैशन या पर्पस होना चाहिए. पर आई वुड से मोर इम्पोर्टेंटली पर्पस, कि तुम्हें यूजर्स की लाइफ, इंसानों की लाइफ इजी करनी है, एप्लीकेशन यूज करना आसान करना है. इफ दैट इज योर पर्पस, पैशन आ जाएगा. पैशन इज one of the most stupidest concept that people teach you. Passion होना चाहिए, passion होना चाहिए. Passion dies down. You should have a purpose. How to get started as a college student? Now, as you most of you are a college student, now we are going into aspect हम लोग start कैसे कर सकते हैं, बन कैसे सकते हैं. So since everyone is already in college, so college education तो excluded होगा कि अब UX design बनने के लिए time तो निकल गया, अब तुम लोग engineering college में हो. हाँ, I want to say to that, IT और computer science में जो बच्चे हैं, you'll probably have a HCI and usability engineering kind of subjects in your third or fourth year. So make sure you have good grades in those two subjects, because if you have a good grades in those two subjects, you can pursue masters in HCI, human computer interaction, and then you can find a job. You can maybe, because it's quite rare, most of the designers are self taught. अगर तुम लोग masters कर लेते हो HCI में, then you can probably have like job opportunities, or really well job opportunities in high tech companies. Like तुमको सीधा higher rank companies ही उठाएंगी. But make sure you get into a good college for that. So for others who want to like still, जिनको कॉलेज नहीं जाना, फिर से मास्टर्स नहीं करना, और सपोज जिनको खुद से सीखना है, उनके लिए और दूसरे पाथ्स हैं. मैं ये सब ओवरव्यू है उसका. एनरोल टू ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज ऑन Coursera, Udemy, watch YouTube videos, find a mentor to guide through the journey, or join a design community, participate in challenges, set a milestone. Now I'm going to talk about all 5 aspects of it. So let's start with the first one, enroll to a course. Uh, yeah, so college isn't an option. Learning from books and courses is the best option. As college isn't, मतलब college option नहीं है तुम्हारा कि तुम HCA नहीं कर सकते हो मास्टर्स, या तुम लोग पहले से ही बैचलर डिग्रीज भी नहीं ले सकते हो. तो तुम बेस्ट चीज क्या है, एक इंटरएक्शन डिजाइन फाउंडेशन करके एक वेबसाइट है. यू कैन पे देयर लाइक ईयरली सब्सक्रिप्शन है. It would like cost you around 1,300, like something like that, or 3,000 or something. But you will have an year full of education free. Like you have to, they have like 19 courses, 19 to 20 courses of UX, about UX design. it it is from a beginner's perspective to an advanced perspective. So like you can start as a beginner and learn through the course, or you can also take Google's UX design course on Coursera. So one thing that Google mentioned in that course is the next a decade or so, uh, there is going to be a shortage of UX designers. So what they expect through that course they made is that they can fulfill that shortage, and they can like help. UX doesn't really have a formal type of education, like college में कोई UX course नहीं है. IT है, comp है, ये सब है, लेकिन UX directly UX related courses नहीं आते. So Google was trying to create like a formal education type of a thing with their certificate. So if you are interested in that, you can take, it's a 6 month course, and make sure when you enroll into courses, try to learn यार, बस skip करके उस सर्टिफिकेट के लिए मत करना. सर्टिफिकेट के लिए करोगे ना, सर्टिफिकेट की वैल्यू भी नीचे गिरेगी और तुम लोग की वैल्यू भी नीचे गिरेगी. नो वन विल हायर यू. If you are trying to learn something, try to learn it, not for the sake of certificate. Uh, that is something just I wanted to make clear. And IBM's UX course is also available. You can also search on your own and find on your. The best thing is when you explore on your own, you don't have to depend on someone else to tell you कि यार ये कर वो कर. You can already have, you will already have an understanding. हाँ, अगर तुम confusion होता है कि should I take this course or should I not take this course, uh, just ask me, because I have taken like uh, 10-20 courses just related to UX and psychology in previous year. So I can help you out with that, to explain कि कौन जो UX डिजाइनर नहीं बन पाया और पैसे कमाने की कोशिश कर रहा है, या फिर that is an actual course where you can learn from. Now the next thing is find a mentor. Now the thing is with UX design is you will probably need a mentor. They can, who can guide you throughout like process, and they can explain it to you कि तुम्हें next step क्या होना चाहिए. Now what you probably need to have 2 or 3 mentors minimum, so that you make sure you get a broader perspective. सिर्फ एक ही इंसान की सुनते रहोगे तो घोड़े जैसा हो जाएगा सब. ऐसे एक ही डायरेक्शन में चलते रहोगे, अगर उसका करियर खराब हो तो तुम्हारा भी करियर खराब हो जाएगा. सो डोंट बी लाइक दैट पर्सन. मेरी भी मत सुनो. आई एम रिकमेंडिंग यू टू गो to the YouTube channels I had mentioned in the group earlier. So if someone hasn't joined yet, we'll send the link to you towards the end of the session. You can join it. So उन लोगों की भी सुनो. Try to find mentors. Try to contact them. डरना मत किसी से बात करते हो. UX design field requires a lot of empathy. So जो mostly जो भी designers हैं, they are quite empathetic with it. They will try to help you out or try to teach you things. They will, you, if you just ask them for help, 10 out of 10 times they will reach out to you. Like I have reached out to, when I was starting out really young in my career, even though I was absolutely like shit designer, couldn't do anything. Even then people were ready to help me and guide me through it. So let me just show you something. I will stop sharing this screen for now and change the screen I'm sharing. Just a minute. Da-da-da. So can you guys see the screen? So if you look at this website, the ADP list, this is something that a designer had designed and planned and created for design student or up and coming designers to like get advice from the best of the best designers. So like अगर तुम्हें किसी mentor ढूंढने हैं, you can just directly go through that. Like this is Don Anderson. He works at Google. Like there are multiple session workshop host करते हैं लोग यहाँ पे. You can join them. You can like portfolio review, influencer storytelling. These are most higher like Spotify. Look at them: Spotify, Lyft, Facebook, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and everyone is helpful. Please don't be afraid of asking help from them. Like let me show you my mentor. This guy, Vaibhav Vasim. He's like he's something that he's someone that I look up to. I have booked multiple sessions with him. Wait, just a second. Can you see the screen? Uh, the website which I'm sharing. Yo, yeah. So you can just reach out to them. Reach out to these guys. Like if you can just also if you have nothing to show and you just want to like have a career advice, or you want to know if you are going for an interview for a job or internship, you can just quickly book a session with them, interview techniques, and just ask them like this is XYZ, I want to I'm going for an interview, can you help me out with it? And they'll 10,000% they'll help you out. I can guarantee you with that. And don't be shy about it, please. Again, I'm saying this. Yeah, I have stopped sharing that. So that is something that I wanted to show. I will share the link of that site, or you can remember it, Amazing Design People List. So like ADP list. Uh, okay. So let's get back to the PPT side of things. So yeah, uh, so what I said is you can find mentors, and what kind of mentors? Let me tell you about them. Uh, पहले तो देखो, find someone who is just above you, like तुमसे बस level above, जहाँ पे तुम अभी होना चाहते हो, एक साल में होना चाहते हो, and then someone who is already at a position, like जो अभी suppose कोई head of design है, and you think like मुझे 10 साल में उसकी position पे जाना है, तो have that person as a mentor. अभी जो एक साल में जहाँ पे तुम्हें पहुंचना है, have that person as a mentor, and the third mentor should be someone who you aspire to be like. That can be anyone, not from the design field, any person, any random person, or someone who you look up to, and someone who can you can stay in touch with. I'm sorry for that. So the best way, as I said, I showed you the website adplus.com. Then there's LinkedIn or any design community. LinkedIn पे मैसेज करने से मत डरना. Just look at cold messages on Google. Learn how to make them. You will find the best opportunities. LinkedIn पे जॉब अप्लाई करने से कभी जॉब नहीं मिलने वाला. ये मैं किसी भी फील्ड के लिए बोल रहा हूँ, सब फील्ड के लिए बोल रहा हूँ. You won't have a job by just applying at LinkedIn. You might find it, but it will take you a lot of time. The best way is go to their social media handles, HR managers, recruiters, or the people who are already working at those positions. वहां पे जाओ, उनको फॉलो करो, उनको ट्विटर पे फॉलो करो, टॉक विद देम, so that when they have a position open, you can when you already will have an established relationship with them. So like you can directly ask them ki, hey, I saw that there's a position open uh, in your company. Can you just send a recommendation or like uh, something like that? And then there is a great chance that they will help you out. So try to do that. Or if you don't have an established connection, try to get their email and then email them like, hey, I saw that there's an LinkedIn पे मैसेज भी कभी कभी redundant हो जाते हैं, लोग LinkedIn में मैसेज देखना बंद कर देते हैं. So try to find their email. If you take that much effort, they will see that this guy really wants the job, and they will like put you forward or recommend you to the company. So make sure of that कि तुम लोग उन सबसे टच में रहो. Next aspect is work daily. Now अब design ठीक है, तो UX design ठीक है, but you still have to do some conceptual project. अगर job चाहिए तुम्हें, तो एक दो project पे काम करना पड़ेगा खुद से. Conceptual project रहेगा, actual work environment नहीं रहेगा, तो तुमको वो प्रोजेक्ट बनाने पड़ेंगे या फिर डेली चैलेंजेस में पार्टिसिपेट करना पड़ेगा to improve your UI aspects of design. The thing with UI aspect is कि तुम तो सीखने की कोशिश करोगे, डेली चैलेंजेस में पार्टिसिपेट करोगे. Adobe XD का एक डेली चैलेंज होता है. लेट मी जस्ट शो यू दैट एज वेल. लेट मी जस्ट गूगल इट. ऑल्सो अगर बोर हो रहा हो तो बता, अभी से इंटरैक्टिव सेशन स्टार्ट कर दूंगा. तो so like you can start solving problems. I will just quickly cover up the remaining part of it. So what I was saying, Adobe XD daily challenge, right? Wait, daily challenge, enhance, daily challenge. Just a second. अभी क्या शेयर हो रहा है? Stop sharing. So like yeah, see this. This is a page Adobe XD का Behance पे. इसमें यहाँ पे डेली एक चैलेंज आएगा. यू हैव टू सी दिस वीडियो फॉर, दे विल शेयर यू अ वीडियो फॉर लाइक half an hour, and you have to see that video and try to replicate that design in your Adobe XD. Adobe XD and Figma are free. These two are software used for development like this, and this are two software used for like designing products. And Figma is the best in the market right now, but Adobe XD is great. And please don't get into this. Yeah, I know Figma, I know Adobe XD. Now I should get the job. They don't give you a job for knowing tools. It is just a source of problem solving. तुम्हारी problem solving skill देखते हैं, ये सब नहीं देखते. So yeah, this like see, get started, watch video. Get started. Uh, they will show you some video. Yeah, so it's like a half an hour video. Or once you are done, you can join their Discord server, join the community chat, and once you join that chat, you will get feedback from directly from the designers, the top designers who are working in the field. So Adobe में जो काम कर रहे हैं वो डिजाइनर तुम्हें फीडबैक देंगे कि लाइक हे तो यू हैव चूज रॉन्ग कलर्स एटसेट्रा. इससे तुम्हारा विजुअल डिजाइन लाइक यूजर इंटरफेस विजुअल डिजाइन इंप्रूव हो जाएगा. Now I'm not saying that you need to learn visual design, like you need to know everything about visual design, but if you know a little bit or basic, more than basic, people will accept you more because जॉब के इनिशियल स्टेजेस में क्या होता है, इंडिया अभी भी यूएक्स के लिए पहुंच रहा है. इसलिए जब बहुत पहुंच जाएगा तो फील्ड बहुत बूम हो जाएगी. बट फॉर नाउ इट इज रीचिंग देयर. सो अभी भी लोगों के माइंडसेट में ये रहता है कि यूएक्स डिजाइन इज इक्वल टू ग्राफिक डिजाइन. तो अगर एक विजुअल डिजाइन एस्पेक्ट होगा तुम्हारे फील्ड में एंट्री इजी हो जाएगी. उसके बाद वंस यू हैव एन एक्सपीरियंस एंड यू वर्क फॉर ग्रेटर बेटर कंपनीज, then you won't have that problem कि visual design मुझे आता है कि नहीं आता. I'm just being honest with you regarding that. अभी तो हो नहीं रहा, but I will share you the link for this as well. Let me just get back to the PPT for now. Yeah. I guess I will share the whole tab, I guess, for now. Entire screen. Let's go. So this aspect of the design, so like there's also a daily UI challenge. You can focus on that, but that is not something I would recommend because you have to design on your own, and that is not a great aspect when you are learning things. You want to be looking at other designers and trying to do replicate what they are doing, because copying is the best way to learn for someone who's starting out in design field. Try to copy anyone or anyone you can like. You think you want to be in their position, try to copy their designs. Even the tool isn't the most important aspect of design, but it is important that you are up to date with it. So like it isn't like really important aspect of design, but अगर तुम सीख लो या उससे up to date रहोगे, then it will be better. Like I am right now using Figma. I also use Adobe XD regularly. You can also use a Sketch. It's just for iOS devices, so I don't use it. But yeah, Figma and Adobe XD, you can learn them. Sketch is getting pretty outdated, so you don't have to worry about that either. Just learn any of these two. Once you learn Figma, एक हफ्ता नहीं लगेगा सीखने में Adobe XD, or if you can learn Adobe XD, and it won't take more than a week for you to learn Figma. So don't get into this mindset like क्या सीखूं पहले Figma सीखूं कि Adobe XD. It's like a really stupid conversation. Don't get into it. फिर क्यूरोसिटी, जैसे मैंने पहले बोला था, मैं खुद कितना ही बता पाऊंगा तुमको. आई कांट होल्ड योर हैंड एंड गाइड यू टू एवरीथिंग. UX is really old field, but it's starting to get it's getting started in India. So you have to understand that तुम्हें खुद क्यूरियस रहना पड़ेगा. बहुत बहुत वास्ट फील्ड है, जैसे मैंने बताया, साइकोलॉजी, रिसर्च, देन विजुअल डिजाइन, information architecture, testing on users. That is not something I have talked about, but I will talk towards the end. But इतने सारे fields पे focus करना पड़ेगा. So you have to stay curious and you have to look everything on your own. Just remember that you need a read Medium articles. That there's a site called Medium. Read it. If you feel that there is a problem with something you don't know, look it up. Try to understand it. Improve on it. Just try to, when you are improving on one aspect, just look at it and focus on it, और उसी को सुधारने की कोशिश करो. सब सीखने की एक साथ कोशिश मत करना. You'll probably end up learning nothing. I'm just okay, wait, let me just, yeah. You also need to hunger to improve. Like you have to खुद से सीखना पड़ेगा, खुद से ये करना पड़ेगा. I have said, I will be repeating myself again and again on this one, so I should probably go further. But if you're thinking like what would I do as a UX designer, so regarding that, uh, as a UX designer, your job would be to understand users problem. यूजर्स जो तुम्हारे प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हैं उसको अंडरस्टैंड करना, तुम्हारे यूजर्स को अंडरस्टैंड करना, एंड बिजनेस गोल को अंडरस्टैंड करना, और उसके बाद उसको ट्राई करना कि खुद एक इम्प्रूवमेंट हो. अब समझ नहीं आ रहा होगा तो लेट मी जस्ट एक्सप्लेन यू विद एन एग्जांपल. लाइक बिफोर ग्रुप चैट्स एंड फॉरवर्ड मैसेजेस, लोगों को एक मैसेज टाइप करने पड़ते थे. हर इंसान को अगर सबको भेजना है, 4 लोगों को भेजना है, मुझे 4 लोगों को, दोस्तों को मैसेज भेजना है. नाउ आई हैड टू टाइप. एक को भेजा, मैसेज सेंड किया, दूसरे के लिए टाइप करो, फिर से मैसेज सेंड करो, तीसरे के लिए टाइप करो, फिर से मैसेज सेंड करो, चौथे के लिए टाइप करो, फिर से मैसेज सेंड करो. नाउ आई हैड टू टाइप दिस मच. So what designers at Facebook thought was, he no, that time WhatsApp, now it's owned by Facebook, but that time employee of WhatsApp thought was कि इन सबको, ये यूजर्स को प्रॉब्लम आ रही है कि उनको 4 बार टाइप करना पड़ रहा है और लोग अब हमारा प्रोडक्ट कम यूज कर रहे हैं. सो व्हाट दे डिड वाज, they created a way for people to create groups so they can chat together. So that is a problem user faced कि वो time consuming था. They had to type for different messages. So designers at WhatsApp thought like, why don't we design a feature where they can like work, talk in a group chat or forward messages. So as I said, design ये नहीं होता कि वो कैसे दिख रहा है सिर्फ. They had to also think about like they had to add group करना है तो उसमें अब एडमिन का फीचर बनाना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद उसमें लोगों को रिमूव करने का फीचर बनाना पड़ेगा. So they had to think about ways so that the users can have best experience possible while using product. So please remember that कि सिर्फ ग्राफिक डिजाइन नहीं है, ये बहुत बहुत गलत अंडरस्टैंडिंग है फील्ड में. But what would I do as a UX designer? So the thing is, just a minute. Yeah, so this is how product development life cycle is actually in the working environment. So suppose a company owner or a startup founder identifies a problem, ideates on what product would do, designing how product would do that, and development based on design. So like they will identify a problem and think of like Swiggy ने जैसे identify किया कि delivery system इंडिया में बहुत बेकार है. Quick on this and I will talk less. तो प्रोडक्ट में वो स्विगी ने जैसे स्टार्ट किया था, दे आइडेंटिफाइड अ प्रॉब्लम कि लोगों के पास फास्ट फूड जल्दी पहुंचाने का तरीका. फिर उन लोगों ने आइडिया बनाया कि हम लोग एक डिलीवरी एप्लीकेशन बनाते हैं. नाउ दे सेड दिस वाज कि हम लोग को डिलीवरी एप्लीकेशन बनाना है. समवन हैड टू डिजाइन फॉर इट कि कौन कैसे भेजेगा, कौन कहाँ जाएगा, डिलीवरी मैन इन्वॉल्व रहेगा कि नहीं रहेगा, शुड दे बी आस्किंग फॉर a verification OTP etc. This was all designed how product would do that. So someone designed that how product would do that, like how someone would order something or someone would ask for something, and based on that design they will be working together with an development team जो कि उसको डिजाइन करे, उस डिजाइन को इम्प्लीमेंट करेगी और बैक एंड टीम उसको लाइक यूजेबल बना पाएगी, वर्किंग बना पाएगी. एंड देन दे टेस्ट द प्रोडक्ट, देन चेंजेस बेस्ड ऑन द रिजल्ट, एंड अगेन क्या प्रॉब्लम थी करंट प्रोडक्ट में उसको इम्प्रूव, वही सब ये लूप चलता रहेगा. नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज बट हाउ वुड आई डिजाइन. So the design field is the the mindset while designing you should have is सबसे पहले रिसर्च करो, अंडरस्टैंड करो कि तुम किस फील्ड में डिजाइन कर रहे हो. सो सपोज मैं एक प्रोडक्ट पे काम कर रहा था, आर्ट गैलरी बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट था. सो द थिंग विद दैट प्रोडक्ट वाज कि मुझे आर्ट गैलरी की जीरो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है. सो व्हाइल डिजाइनिंग इट I can't just go and design anything and just create whatever my competitors have. मुझे पहले गैलरीज के बारे में समझना होगा कि वो काम कैसे करता है. तुम लोग देखा होगा, you might have noticed that art galleries don't have a price tag to their artwork right next to them like other things have. Why? Because artists are uncomfortable with people putting price tag on their artwork. Now why this happens, this creates a problem for user कि मुझे खरीदना है but I don't know the price, so I have to embarrass myself by asking someone, and if it is out of my budget I will be embarrassed. But that, so you have to understand while designing product मुझे वो उस पर फोकस करना था. Now मुझे आर्टवर्क बाय करने के लिए भी एक फीचर बनाना था. Now I could have created a feature anyhow, like just like Amazon, कि यहाँ पे ऐसे आओ, खरीद लो, बुकिंग कर लो. बट यू हैव टू रिमेम्बर दैट आर्टवर्क एक यूनिक होता है, यूनिकली एक ही बनता है. यू कैन क्रिएट वन आर्टवर्क एट अ टाइम. सो वाइल सेलिंग इट यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि ये मल्टीपल नहीं, एक क्वांटिटी में ज्यादा, एक दो तीन चार दो पांच छह ऐड कर देता हूँ कार्ट में. दैट इज नॉट द पॉसिबिलिटी. सो इफ आई डिजाइन विदाउट डूइंग माई रिसर्च I will be designing really bad product. Like user thinks like I want two pieces of this plus one plus two quantity, और वो मंगा रहा है, उसको एक ही मिल रहा है, मैसेज एरर आ रहा है. So that will add up to a bad experience. So understanding your users is and the field you are designing is really important, and that's where research comes in. Now there are quite a lot of problems that explore the roots of problems. Now the thing with problems is, so imagine a place where लोगों को दीवार में होल नहीं चाहिए, उनको एक तरीका चाहिए कि जैसे पिक्चर हैंग कर सके. और लोगों को ड्रिलिंग मशीन नहीं चाहिए, लोगों को बस एक होल चाहिए. सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि पीपल वांट टू हैंग, not create a hole on their wall or not buy a drilling machine make that hole. So if I want to solve the main problem, I will try to find a way where the picture can be stuck on the wall without any need of like a hole in the wall. So this is called exploring the root of the problem. You have to find the root cause of the problem as a designer. ये तुम पे depend करता है कि how you will find it. There are different methods of finding it, like asking constantly why. So a person goes into a hardware store and like so should I bring the hardware store to him so that he can make the whole easily, or should I create a glue that helps painting to stick on a wall? So that depends on the product owners कि उन पे डिपेंड करता है, उनसे पूछना पड़ता है कि भाई तुमको कौन सा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना है. but you have to have an understanding कि जो प्रॉब्लम दिख रहा है सिर्फ उसको मत सॉल्व करो, उसकी रूट कॉज को ट्राई करो सॉल्व करना. Just a minute. Someone said want to join this, but uh, there's like a really weird message. Someone has sent me like, I want to join this. uh, I will ignore that. Choose the best. Now then you will explore the ideas कि तुम उस प्रॉब्लम को कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हो. यू विल ट्राई टू फाइंड डिफरेंट आइडियाज, लाइक ऐसा कुछ बनाते हैं या फिर विल डिजाइन दिस फीचर और दैट फीचर. Once you explore the ideas, you will choose the best one you think will directly solve the problem, will help the business, and will take less time. And once you have choose the best idea, will implement it. And once you implement it, you will test that idea. Once you have designed it, test them on your potential users. Look what users got wrong and how they can improve UX, how you can improve UX. एंड रिमेंबर दिस, ये सब फ्लो में लीनियर लग रहा है या स्टेप बाय स्टेप लग रहा है. तुम कभी कभी आइडियाज एक्सप्लोर करोगे और फिर तुमको फिर से रिसर्च में जाना पड़ सकता है कि उस आइडिया को एक्सप्लोर करने. और फिर ये सब लीनियर नहीं है, इटरेटिव प्रोसेस है, लूप में चलता रहता है ये सब. यू विल बी रिसर्चिंग, टेस्टिंग आइडियाज, देन अगेन गो बैक टू रिसर्चिंग. इट्स लाइक रियली इटरेटिव फील्ड. तो तुम लोग को ऐसे कभी आराम नहीं मिलने वाला टेस्ट करने से या आइडियाज एक्सप्लोर करने से. तो अपने डिजाइन से अटैच मत हो जाना, फिर एकदम सोच सोच के बनाते बैठोगे और लगेगा कि यार ये तो बन जाएगा. नो, देयर आर चेंजेस meant to be. There will be things that you have to change based on the feedback you will get from your users. Enough of theory, let's get solving aspect of the design. Yeah, Gayatri, I hope someone is recording the session. Yeah, some session is getting recorded. You don't have to worry about that. Uh, you will get a recording for the session. Yeah. We have. Yeah, I actually knew that this was bound to happen. It's a lot of theory and it is a lot of aspects, but this is bare minimum. This is just something that you need to know to get started with. There's more to it. But yeah, you can always get the file that I am showing the PPT on, or you can always like see the session or the recording of the session. अगेन एज I सेड कि हम लोगों ने ये सब देख लिया, बहुत हो गया. अब चलते हैं वर्कशॉप में, एक्चुअली कुछ काम करते हैं, इंटरैक्टिव सेशन. सो लाइक व्हाट आई होप टू डू इज, हम लोग पहले स्टार्ट करेंगे कोई प्रॉब्लम रैंडमली इंटरनेट से उठाकर और उसको सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करेंगे. सो लेट मी जस्ट फाइंड सम प्रॉब्लम. we'll find this a lot. So there's a problem with let me just look. That's how do I get design job. But there are like a lot of challenges that Google puts out while hiring anyone. So let me just wait. I have a problem in my mind already. We'll solve for that. So this is a text. If you just select it and just enter it, you can type anything with it. So like it's a text box. Uh, so the problem statement would be, this is something that Google had asked earlier in their design interview. Design design an application for 10 to 15-year-olds. Design an application for 10 to 15 years old. Design an ATM application. Actually, let's make it 8 to 12. 8 to 14, I guess. 8 to design an ATM application for 8 to 14 years old. 14 years old. So if you guys already if you don't have a Figma account, uh, I think we can all start designing or exploring ideas. But for now, just so that you know how to create a Figma account, I want to just help you get started with that as well. So just Google Figma. Figma is like free to use. Shit, just a minute. Figma. So you can just go there. It's a web-based browser application, so you can open it on your browser as well. So see, I have opened it in my browser. I also have downloaded version, but you can also use it on your browser. This is one of the most selling aspect of Figma is you don't have to carry your laptop everywhere. You just need to remember your password and your account details so that you can log in anywhere or anytime. Like you can open this in your college laptops as well. So this is a workshop PPT. I will share it with you. If you want to do it together. You can join now, or let me just get back to my Figma file. So what we'll do is try to design an ATM application for 8 to 14 years old, 14-year-old old, and just to teach them. Yeah, no, this is the exact prompt that was given by Google to employee they were trying to hire. Now, thing with this, let me just stop sharing with this and just share the Figma window. So, yeah, you can still see it. Great. So, now what we'll try to do is I will approach this problem statement and try to solve it. So while you are in an interview, you can ask questions like who I am designing it for, like why do we need this application. But right now, we don't have that someone to guide us. So I will just directly go into solving the problem. So what the thing is, you have to question the problem statement itself. Like why? Why do we need to design an ATM application for 18 to 14 years old? Like why? First question should be why we should be doing this. Let me just make it bold. The first question would be why we are designing it, who we are designing it for, and like what it is supposed to do. What? So these are some questions that I need to know before I start solving. अगर तुम लोग पहले ही सोचोगे कि I will make it look really fun and colorful so that children like it, then you will be rejected directly to on your face. That is not how a product designer should or a UX designer should approach to a problem. So what you are going to do is you will ask why we are designing it. So like we are probably designing it for 18 to 8 to 14 years will probably not never use an ATM machine. So why do we need it? So we actually don't. We are using designing it just for the sake of so that those young kids know how to use ATM cards, because what happens is people in their late 80s or when they get older, they don't know how to use it because they weren't taught about it. So the why behind the product might be, this is something that I'm assuming, but you can ask the interviewer as well. So uh, to help kids get an understanding for the ATM machines, this is how you need to approach. This is something that I'm telling you to, so that you can approach the problem statement, how to approach a design problem statement. Now who we are using for, so they all have already given it on like their target audience 8 to 14 years old. But you have to see, this is where research comes in. Years old, the thing is, how many 8 to 14 years old do you know that actually use an application or like actually have a smartphone? That is really rare, right? So what we are doing is we are designing it for 8 to 14 years old to use, but we also have to remember they were probably going to use it on their parents' phone. So this is where research comes in. If you go into deep into it, like, so you have to design a product not just for 8 to 14 years old, but also their parents, like they can have a master control over it. And uh, so like, who will be, who is my target audience? So like my target audience is of two kinds. Sorry for the typo. Just forgive it. Right now I'm focusing on designing it, just for the sake of designing. So the who will be 8 to 14 years old, and not just them, but also their parents. And now what I would do is I would actually go and recruit some people who are looking to teach their kids how the ATM works, or are like really financially educated and they want their kids to learn beforehand. And I will interview them, like what aspects of the bank they want to teach to them, like what part of economy they want to teach their kids. So that is something I will try to understand and try to go ahead with solving it. But for now, we'll just keep the focus here. As I said, there is quite vast field, and you will probably need to learn a lot. But just for sake of it, I will like open an application that I had designed earlier, so to help you get gist of it, how it works. But meanwhile, we will work on that until it's opening up. Now, what we are designing an mobile application, because the parents, most parents will have a mobile application with them, and we'll probably create like a duplicate card as well. Mobile application for kids. Now this now we have the gist of it, like this we have a product acknowledgement, like who, why, and what we are designing. Now we know the what of it. So what I would actually do is let it open up. I will go with researching and understanding my users. So like I will interview them and create something like this. It will take time uh, until it opens up. We will still continue with this riveting content. It, you, what I can tell, it's still taking time. So once we have like this, something like this, what I will do is there are two kind of research: primary research and secondary research. Now, what happens in primary research is you go out and talk to your target audience. You try to understand them, what are their wants, their needs, and how they feel like while using a product. And secondary research is when you Google it. तुम Google पे देखते हो कि मेरी ये target audience क्या कर रही है, or you try to read a paper, or you try to copy someone who has already done some research. So you just try to understand what you can understand from through research. Uh, Please load. It's taking a lot of time to load. It's a real file. So yeah, you can see that. Yeah, this was something where as I said, I was an art gallery, so I had researched quite a few participants and tried to understand like do how do they feel like. Ramesh is my target research participant. He was a participant, and when I was asking him, so like visits an art gallery once every 6 7 months. That also, if his friends agree to go, spends time looking for to artwork from different artists on Reddit, says this thing, and this is something that I would gather from my me talking with them. And while I'm talking with them, I will try to understand how they feel about things, like what does he what kind of problems while using things. And once I have that research, I will try to analyze it, break down problem statements. And once I have problem statements, so now I will start exploring ideas. So how might we, so the problem statement here would be how might Just a second. Yeah, nothing, just a random message. The problem statement here would be like, how might we create a product? How might we create an application that even a small kid can use and learn uh, how ATM works. Now, this is a how might we statement. So, how might we think of an way to create an application that even a small kid can use and learn how ATM works? So, now what I want you to do is uh, take a minute for, let me just zoom in if you can't see it, I guess. So what I want you to do is try to think of ways, or you can just type some random ideas that you have. Anything. This is where you have the my favorite part of design is like it can be ridiculous. बहुत पागल वाला idea हो सकता है. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ता. This is where you just drop your ideas anywhere, and you just drop them down and tell them like you can say like we can give them 10,000 rupees and let them spend it. Anything, any ridiculous idea you have, you can just drop it down in the chat box. Any kind of idea, and we will try to design it. So uh, what I am thinking of right now is uh, if I have to go about and solve this problem, I will try to maybe create a fun application that I will actually sketch it out. Uh, I should have thought of this. It takes a lot of time to load. We could have done this on paper and pencil as well. Uh, or if you guys have any other problem statement, it is taking a lot of time. So we can go and try and solve that as well. Yeah. So what I am thinking right now of is why not we create an application where kids learn a lot with the cartoons and stuff. Like they watch a lot of cartoons. That is what actually I know about kids. If I had done research, that is probably something I would have found out. And they don't have a we have to grab their attention a lot because they are like quite futile with things. They would be using application and they would lose their attention and would do something else. So what I'm thinking right now, an idea is create an application that gives noise feedback so that it grabs user kids attention. I'll try to make it colorful so that kids pay attention towards it, because the thing with brain is kids focus a lot with on the colorful things rather than bland things, if you have noticed it. And I will give them less options. So like I will just give them two options, yes or no kind of a thing. So they don't have to over analyze things like what if, क्योंकि वो लोग सोच ही नहीं सकते उतना. They won't have any idea of like मुझे यहाँ बटन दबाना चाहिए कि ये होने पे वो होगा. They won't think, they will just see a button then they will click. That's how their brain works. That's how innocent they are. So while designing product, I will try to remember it, or I can actually make a video of some kind. So like I will uh, give them a video lecture on how to use ATM card, and they just have to do that. Or I can create a card, a duplicate ATM card, which will have fake 5-digit numbers. So this is me exploring this random ideas. Some random number on a card, and what will happen is when the mobile application will have like they would ask them to enter the number on the card. So and I will kind of give them a keypad or some sort and ask them to type that number. And if they aren't able to, I will kind of give them a dinosaur or any type of cartoon would pop up here, and it would ask like, "Hey, type number 5 or 6, or click here," or like of some sort. So I will kind of think of different random ideas on how to solve this problem, and then what I would do is I would actually go about designing it. Now, this is not how we directly go on designing it. The other aspects come into it. If this shit could load, I could help you out better. I could improve, tell you better about these things. So, like, there is more to research. You try to understand, you try to create a persona, a fake user in your mindset, so that you and based on your research, you will try to create their goals, their frustration, and how their whole life story, so that you kind of have an understanding of it. It's like quite to creating a character for your movie. If you are directing a movie, तुम्हें उसके लिए कैरेक्टर सोचने की ये एक्टर है, ये दोनों को मुझे ऐसे एप्लीकेशन बनाना है जो कि इन दोनों की लाइफ इजी बना सके. सो आई वुड काइंड ऑफ अंडरस्टैंड द पेन पॉइंट्स, इंक्लूसिविटी, ये सब पेन पॉइंट है मेरे यूजर्स के. फिर मैं अपने प्रोडक्ट का वैल्यू प्रोपोजिशन सोचूंगा कि मेरा प्रोडक्ट क्यों यूज करेंगे लोग. बिजनेस गोल अलाइन करने की कोशिश करूंगा. फिर मैं उनके प्रॉब्लम्स कैसे सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ, दैट ऑल स्टफ विल कम इनटू इट. देन आई विल प्रॉब्ली मैं एक एक बाय स्टेप उनके एक्शन और सबको ट्रैक करूंगा. सो लाइक दे वांट टू बुक अ विजिट, फ्रस्ट्रेटेड फीलिंग, कैसे फ्रस्ट्रेटेड फील कर रहे हैं, बुक का नहीं हो पा रहा है टिकट एक्सेट्रा, वो सब. देन आई वुड गो इनटू इंफॉर्मेशन आर्किटेक्चर. लाइक दिस इज हाउ इट वुड लुक. ये स्प्लैश स्क्रीन है, जैसे ही लॉग इन या साइन अप किया तो होम स्क्रीन पे जाएंगे. देन दिस ऑल आई हैव टू डिसाइड. And then also yeah, I have to decide all, like, opens the application, home screen पे देखता है, look for artwork they like. Then there is another screen, filter results. फिर वो सोचता है select an artwork करने का सोचता है, then selects an artwork. All this comes plays an important role, like, and then deciding कि कौन सा आइडिया पहले सॉल्व करेगा, उसको सॉल्व करना, उसके बारे में सोचना. this these are all the things that you have to think as a designer. Then I have to sketch them out, those ideas, and think how things will work. कैसे connection कहाँ पे जाएगा. All this I have to think. I have to try different ideas. Like, मैंने सोचा था आर्ट को कैसे प्रेजेंट करूंगा या फिर ऐसे प्रेजेंट करूंगा. Or like I could give people an option to comment on the artwork, but I rejected it because फिर users feel बुरा करेंगे. फिर without colors में layout करूंगा, layout arrange करूंगा, ये सब. this is all I'm showing you just for sake of कि ये कितना deep है. I can't probably cover all of this. We will cover it slowly with multiple sessions, but for right now, I just want to show you how vast the thing is. Then you probably get into high quality user interface with colors and all. Like, just a second, where you will design things like this: actual interface, menu bar, status bar, or these all things. So it's quite large aspect on that. Let's get back to our designing stuff thing. Uh, yeah, I'm sure that can help. Short tour for features. Yeah, that is something like onboarding kind of thing we can do. That is also a great idea. Like, we can here can be a cartoon or something, or we can, let me just search it. Blush. So for now, what I'm thinking of is, uh, yeah. So that was a great idea, Anshul. Let me just grab an illustration. This is called Brush, random illustration grabbing thingy plugin. It's a plugin, you can install it as well and get free illustration. You don't have to design those things. So this looks cartoony enough. I'll probably select this. It takes a lot of time to load. And I will just, what I will do is, this looks great, but it's a expensive thing. It's not something that I can 5 right now. I'll probably take an avatar and grab it. What happened? There's a problem with it. I guess there's a problem with it. Yeah. Uh, I guess we'll have. Yeah. So what I will do is create a profile for someone, some kid or something, and I will try. As I said, kids. I need to grab kids' attention, so I won't make this black. I'll try to think of a way to make it colorful. Maybe something green. Maybe we should go to violet because it is a violet is a great color if you want to show something educational. So I'll probably go with this vibrant color, and then what I will do is think of a way to uh, explain them with a like a short amount of video or something like that. So I will try this. I don't know any names. I would like. I'm sure I'm using your name because that is the only name I can remember right now. Uh, I will go with this. Also, then what I will do is I also make this audio based. Also, remember that thing is not with only interfaces. You also have to think about what noises the application would be, or what notification voices an application would create. So, like hi Anshu, this is something that would someone would speak once the application is open. Then we can create something like this slider or some sort. Da-da-da, 18.6. So if you can see this, you can just alt use alt and shift option to drag and duplicate it. And this is an indicator so that like you are right now on this screen. Created a darker color. Give it a darker color so that they can notice it. And this is something you can skip as well. I'll give the kids an option to skip it, and we'll put in a median, decrease the size of it. This is what I was thinking of, and here I will just like create a random thing where it would say uh, today we will learn. Wait a minute. I think the size of the artboard is wrong. Yeah. Uh, Let me just, if you select a frame, you can see that there are different options for using like iPhone X Pro Max, or you can design for these screens as well. So if you grab them, this is how large actual screens are, and then you can design it. So I will just quickly grab these things and draw it here. So what I'm saying is basically this is how you have to approach a design. And once I actually have completed this design, I will actually go and test this on users and see if the kids are great with it and are they able to use it. So this is how we go about designing things. Now there are a lot more things to it, and we will try to cover it later on in the more session as I hold more session and host more session. We'll try to learn them, but for now, this is what I want to show you guys. And I'm sorry I didn't got a lot of time to prepare for this because I was actually busy with an internship interview. So I will make sure that I am well prepared for the next time when we hold next time when I hold this a session like this. We will Yeah, until then you can like drop some questions if you have any in the Q&A box so that I can answer them. If you don't, that's fine. But if you have, just drop them below, and I will try to clear them towards the end of session. We just have like what less time remaining. We just have 10 minutes remaining, so I will just try to create something uh, better than this. So what I would do is create a box. I will explore different ideas. So I thought of try to make this an interactive session, but that wasn't possible because the platform doesn't allow it. What I thought was is I could get some ideas from your side or a problem statement from your side, and then I could try and solve that on the spot and like help you how to go about solving a problem. But thing is with this platform is only the host gets to speak, or if I allow everyone to speak, then it didn't took that into consideration. Like many of you might speak over each other, so that was a problem that could have arrived. So I opted out for that. So here would be like a thing where it would be uh, hmm, not ATM. I don't want kids to think of ATM as something uh, weird thing. I will just call it a money machine. So it's like fun text so that kids feel like it's something they are interested in learning it. Otherwise, ATM sounds not something that a kid would be interested in learning. Okay, this is like quite bad visual design. I can tell. Color looks bad. I was going something for like wood kids, but this is not turning out like how I expected it to. But that this happens a lot. While you are designing, look at me designing, and this is like quite really shit design comparative to what I usually design. But there will be days that you will design things like this. So don't get more demotivated about all this stuff. I will give some shadow so it feels like it is above the screen and something you can tap. And I will increase the shadow by 32 pixels. So what you will usually design for adults, I'm increasing it more for kids because I want to grab their attention more. And I will probably give it a rounded corner. Thing with a rounded corner is uh, if you look into things in your life, you won't find things that are quite sharp or quite edgy. So we design buttons also with the rounded corners because that is how our mental model is or how our brain thinks about things. So this will give them a clear idea that this is something they can press. I'll try to do okay. The colors aren't matching quite well. I will go for white uh, and I will just add a button text that says next. I will just group them together. I will try to check if they are in between or not. So okay, we are reaching we are reaching towards the end of the session. It's like 1 o'clock. I probably won't be able to complete the design itself. So we have to I guess we have to end the session in 5 minutes. But yeah, if you guys have any doubt or like, I will host another session later on. If you guys have any doubt, you can ask them now, or you can join the WhatsApp group. Gaurav has sent it in the link, and I can probably try to do this in informal way, or I could just like host a informal session later on, but I won't be able to complete the application for now.